Hear a cluck or feel a wobble in the front end, stem, handlebars when you apply the front brake? Sometimes if you look closely, holding the front brake, you can see that there's some play occurring in the headset. The odds are all you need is an adjustment to the headset. Requires an Allen key and a torque wrench. We'll show you how. First, loosen the stem bolts on both sides till the handlebars swing freely without moving the wheel. Next, we're going to tighten the top bolt. We'll do this a little at a time. We'll tighten it, check for any play, tighten it a little bit more, check again. Once we're satisfied that there's no play, we're going to hold the bike up, make sure that the wheel turns easily from side to side. If we notice when we're tightening the front end and we lift it up and the wheel does not swing side to side, we've over tightened the cap bolt. We're going to need to loosen that just slightly. Until we get the wheel to swing easily back and forth. Check again that we have no play. Line up the wheel, handlebars, top tube. Then we're ready to tighten the stem bolts. We'll tighten one side, tighten the other. Make sure the front wheel and handlebars are lined up. We'll do it just tight enough so the wheel, handlebars move together. Recheck that the wheels turn easily and that the handlebar, wheel, and top tube are all lined up. It's important to tighten the stem bolts with a torque wrench so we don't over tighten, which could damage the headset or top tube, especially if they're carbon fiber. Oftentimes written on the headset you'll find the torque range or maximum, or you'll have to look it up. Use either 80% of the maximum or in the mid range. In this case we have a maximum of 13. We set our torque wrench to 11 and we'll bring the bolts up slowly on each side until they reach the correct torque. If you have trouble getting rid of that play in the headset without binding that front wheel and not having it spin back and forth, you probably have some dirt and grime buildup in the headset and top tube, and it's worthy of an overhaul and cleaning, which we'll cover in another video. If you have any questions, please comment. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. This is Tony of Tony 10 Speed. Safe cycling.